Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Students, in yesterday's class, we have learned about gender, male and female, which is chapter number 4 of your English 1 book. So, student, yesterday I told you that there are 4 types of gender in English, which is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So, student, yesterday we have learned about male and female, which is called masculine gender and feminine gender. The noun stands for male, we call them masculine gender, and the noun stand for females, we call them feminine gender. And we have done the exercises which are given on the page number 27, and I gave you exercise B of page number 28 as homework. So student, I hope that you have done this exercise. Let us discuss the answers today. Page number 28, exercise B. Write feminine genders for the following masculine genders. So the genders which are already written here, they are either masculine or feminine, and we have to write the we have to change the gender in this exercise. So all these are masculine genders and we have to change it into feminine gender. So student, what is masculine gender? Masculine genders are used for male, and feminine genders are called are for females. So number 1 is brother. So what is the feminine gender of brother? Feminine gender of brother is sister. So you have to write sister here. Number 2, man. What is the feminine gender of man? Woman. So we have to write woman here. Number 3, God. What is the feminine gender of God? Goddess. So you write goddess in the third one. Number 4 is emperor, and the feminine gender of emperor is empress. EMPERESS, empress. Number 5 is bull. So what is the feminine of bull? It is cow. So write cow here. Number 6 is prince. So the feminine of prince is princess. Number 7 is hero. Hero is masculine and the feminine of hero is heroine. So write heroine in this blank. Number 8, landlord. The landlord is masculine and the female of landlord is landlady. So it is the feminine gender, landlady. Number 9, manservant. What is the feminine of manservant? It is maid servant. So write maid servant. Number 10, milkman, and the feminine of milkman is milkwoman. Now in exercise C on page number 29, now trace masculine genders for the following feminine genders. So now we have to change these feminine genders into masculine gender. So the ones which are already written here, these are the feminine genders and we have to change it into masculine gender. Number 1, lioness. So what is the feminine gender of masculine gender of lioness? It is lion. Number 2, niece. The masculine gender of niece is nephew. Number 3 is mare, and the masculine gender of mare is horse. Number 4, female, and the masculine of female is male. Number 5 is bitch, and the answer of bitch, which is masculine gender of bitch, is dog. Number 6 is drake, and the masculine of drake is duck. Number 7, priestess. Priestess is feminine, and the masculine gender will be priest. Number 8, daughter, and the masculine of daughter will be son. Number 9, witch, and the masculine of witch will be wizard. W-I-Z-A-R-D, wizard. Number 10 is madam, and the masculine of madam will be sir. So student, these are the masculine genders and feminine genders. I hope you have understood what is masculine and feminine now. Now let us move ahead, and today we are going to learn about neuter gender and common gender. So student, what is common gender? Now there are some terms, there are some words which are both which can be used for both male and female. For example, student. So students, can you tell the gender of student, whether it is he or she? Till the time I will not say he or she for the student, you will not be able to find out the gender, because student is a common gender. We use it with the term student for both boys and girls, so it is common gender. Now, can you tell the gender of a doctor? If I say there is a doctor near my house, so will you be able to identify whether it is a woman or a man, whether that doctor is a male or female? You will not be able to identify it, right? Because the term doctor is used for both male and female. So this is called common gender, where we use for both male and female. So student, let us know about neuter gender. What is neuter gender? Now you have to remember this, that common genders are living things, and they can be either male or female. So common genders are the living things. For example, doctor, student, engineer, nurse. Alright, so these all are common genders, and these all are living things. And now what is neuter gender? Students, neuter genders are neither male nor female, and they are non-living things. So neuter genders are non-living things. They are neither male nor female, and they are used for non-living things. For example, book. Is there a gender of book? No, there is no gender of book. In Hindi we have genders for non-living things as well, but in English we don't have gender for non-living things. We have genders only for living things in English language. In Hindi we have for both. So here neuter genders are non-living things. They are neither male nor female. For example, book, paper, table. So we don't write she or he for book, right? Do we write? No, we don't, right? So these are neuter genders, which are non-living things, and they are neither male nor female. Hope you understood it. Now student, there is an exercise based on the same topic. Exercise A on page number 30. Exercise A on page number 30. A list of nouns is given below. Find out how many of them refer to common gender and how many refer to neuter gender. So student, in the box there are names given. There are the names given. They are the nouns, and you have to categorize them in common gender or as neuter gender. So there are two columns given. One is for common gender and the other one is for neuter gender. You have to select the noun from the box and you have to write it in the right place. Either it is common or neuter gender. For example, uniform. So student, uniform, you have to think whether uniform is a non-living thing or a living thing. So uniform is a non-living thing, so we have to write it under neuter gender, because neuter gender are non-living things and they don't have any gender. For example, male and female, they are neither male nor female. So uniform is non-living thing, so we will write it under neuter gender. Next is book. So book is living or non-living thing. You have to think it and then you have to write it in the blank. So student, you have to do this exercise yourself and we will move ahead in our we will learn more in our next class. All right, take care. Bye bye.